So in this Etsy tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to update your privacy settings here on Etsy. So once Etsy is opened up, go to the top right, press on your account, and then view your profile, and then edit public profile. Once you're here, go ahead and press on privacy. Now, if you scroll down here to the bottom where it says privacy settings, there's consent and do not sell my information. So if you want to update these settings, you can press on update privacy settings. You can go ahead and read this, as well as you can turn on personal advertising or turn that off. And if all looks good, you want to update it, go ahead and press on done. And then your privacy settings will of course have been updated. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to update your privacy settings on Etsy. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.